Ka MP na tura bat ka kertong jong ka seng NPP ka Agatha ke Sangma kalapoi hawal bagre polling station ha kapor new buje Shiteng Mynstep banyang ha ulain ubadrong pan Thep ward ha kane ka jingle Thep ward la yo I ba ki don bon ngut ki briu baya up la pali ban yo Thep ward.
Generally, in the MP Lok Sabha elections, we don't see a very large turnout in comparison to the assembly elections. And this morning, seeing this large number of people coming out to vote is a very positive sign. And I would encourage our people to exercise this franchise. And yes, it's a wonderful sign. And I'm really grateful to the people for coming out and voting in large numbers.
So what are the core issues that affect the locals in the voting actually in Meghalaya?
I think the core issues obviously is development, it's peace, and when I say development, it also includes employment. People want good infrastructure, they want their governments to provide good infrastructure, they want governments to provide job opportunities, and I feel that this government has, fulfilled and delivered on these promises.
So we have seen that females are participating in long high numbers. What will you say about that?
This is a trend that has been happening for a very long time. In general, you always find that women are way more, aware, and they take a lot of effort to come out and vote. And I'm really grateful that women take this as a very serious right and a duty to come out and vote.